Welcome to the Industrial Arts Institute, Northern Michigan's premier welding school in Onaway, Michigan. The Industrial Arts Institute is nationally recognized for our contribution to building the professional trades workforce by setting a new education standard that develops and inspires a noble workforce. Through the combination of innovative education and time-honored training, we are able to connect talented individuals with leading skilled trades industries. Be a part of the group of skilled trades women and men who love to create with their hands and help build the world.